What's going on, guys? I am back again. This time we are doing dual recording with the LG Wing. So I did a previous video, I uploaded. All these are going to be direct uploads, and it's pretty stable. It looks real good. I can move this little screen around. Oh, maybe not. I'm trying to drive and I'm trying not to be super distracted, but let me know down below how the audio, and not only the audio, but how the front front camera and rear camera look on playback. But so far this looks real nice. I'm gonna back up for you guys. Just holding this right above my console, my center console. I'll pan around. You guys can check out the school over there. The cameras are, to me, they're amazing on this phone, especially with the swivel mode. You can use that as a handle. Yeah, we out.